When it comes to power tools, the market is flooded with options, but two brands consistently stand out for their quality, performance, and value: Kobalt and Craftsman. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast building your dream workshop or a professional contractor tackling demanding projects, choosing the right brand can make all the difference. Both Kobalt and Craftsman have carved out loyal followings over the years, but which one truly deserves a spot in your toolbox? While both brands promise durability and performance, they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll dive deep into the materials, quality, durability, battery technology, mobility, pricing, availability, and more to determine which brand reigns supreme. Whether you're looking for raw power or all-around versatility, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Let the battle of Kobalt versus Craftsman begin. Materials and build quality. Kobalt tools are built with a focus on durability and performance. Their power tools often feature high-quality metals and plastics that can withstand heavy-duty tasks. For example, the Kobalt Impact Wrench is designed with a robust casing to protect internal components during rigorous use. The brand's 24-volt max lineup utilizes advanced brushless motors for enhanced longevity and efficiency. However, some users have noted that larger tools in the Kobalt range can occasionally feel underpowered for industrial-grade tasks. Craftsman, on the other hand, emphasizes ergonomic designs and sturdy materials. Their tools often incorporate impact-resistant polycarbonate blends and aluminum components for added durability. The V20 cordless line is particularly well regarded for its attention to detail in construction, such as reinforced frames and high-quality silicone coatings over internal components. However, Craftsman has faced some criticism regarding quality consistency since moving portions of its manufacturing overseas. Craftsman slightly edges out Kobalt due to its ergonomic designs and material quality in newer models. Durability. Kobalt tools are known for their ability to handle heavy-duty tasks over time. Many users report that Kobalt's tools maintain their performance even after years of use in demanding environments like truck shops and industrial maintenance facilities. The brand also offers robust warranties, 5 years for tools and 3 years for batteries, which reflect confidence in their durability. Craftsman tools are similarly durable, but better suited for moderate workloads. While their Runtime Plus Performance (RP) line delivers excellent reliability for most DIY and professional tasks, Craftsman tools may not endure the same level of abuse as Kobalt tools in industrial settings. The warranty on Craftsman power tools is typically limited to 1 to 3 years, which is shorter than Kobalt's. Kobalt takes the lead due to its proven longevity under heavy use. Battery performance. Kobalt's 24-volt max lithium-ion batteries provide a significant advantage in terms of power output and runtime. These batteries deliver up to 650 feet-pounds of torque in impact wrenches and maintain consistent performance across various temperatures. Additionally, Kobalt offers fast charging options, with some chargers recharging a 2 amp-hour battery in just 30 minutes. Craftsman's 20-volt max batteries, while efficient, fall slightly behind in raw power compared to Kobalt's 24-volt system. However, they are optimized for energy efficiency and provide adequate runtime for standard tasks. The RP line includes batteries with capacities up to 4 amp-an-hour, ensuring decent performance for prolonged use. Kobalt wins due to higher voltage and faster charging capabilities. Mobility. Both brands prioritize portability with lightweight designs. Kobalt tools are compact and well-balanced, making them suitable for tight spaces or overhead work. For instance, their 24-volt max drill weighs just 3.2 pounds. Craftsman tools are similarly portable but excel in ergonomics. Their impact drivers weigh only 2 pounds with a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended use. Both brands offer excellent mobility with lightweight designs. User compatibility. Kobalt's proprietary battery system limits compatibility across other brands, but ensures seamless integration within its own lineup. Features like LED work lights and anti-kickback technology enhance usability, but may be less appealing to those who prefer cross-brand flexibility. Craftsman excels in user compatibility thanks to its Versatrack system, which allows modular storage of tools. Additionally, Craftsman batteries are compatible across the entire V20 lineup, simplifying tool management for users who own multiple products from the brand. Craftsman wins due to better cross-tool battery compatibility and storage solutions. Product line comparison. Kobalt focuses heavily on cordless power tools within its 24-volt max lineup. While this range includes drills, impact drivers, saws, and other essentials, it lacks diversity in niche categories such as polishers or specialty woodworking tools. Craftsman offers a broader product line that spans corded and cordless power tools as well as outdoor equipment. Their RP series caters to professionals seeking high-performance options while still maintaining affordability for DIYers. Craftsman has a more extensive product lineup. Price. Both brands are positioned as mid-range options. Kobalt tools tend to be slightly more expensive due to their professional-grade build quality and higher voltage batteries. Craftsman, while still affordable, often provides better value through combo kits that include multiple tools at competitive prices. Both brands offer fair pricing relative to their features. Availability. Kobalt is exclusive to Lowe's stores or online platforms associated with Lowe's. This exclusivity can limit accessibility for users outside regions where Lowe's operates. Craftsman enjoys wider availability through multiple retailers like Lowe's, Ace Hardware, Amazon, and others, making it easier for consumers worldwide to purchase their products. Craftsman wins due to broader availability. So, which one is better? Both Kobalt and Craftsman excel in different areas. Choose Kobalt if you need powerful cordless options with superior battery performance or plan on tackling heavy-duty tasks regularly. Opt for Craftsman if you value a broader product range, better compatibility across tools, or easier access through multiple retailers. For most DIYers or casual users looking for versatility and affordability, Craftsman might be the better choice overall. However, professionals requiring higher torque or longer runtimes may find Kobalt more suitable. Ultimately, your decision should align with your specific needs.